Hey, what's good, guys? So I'm gonna need to straighten up all this stuff down here. I'm starting to get a little, cluttered in. So it's always good to rearrange your stuff once in a while. That's what I like to do. But what I wanted to do before I did that was make one video on my favorite synth, and it's the Waldorf Sledge, and it's an awesome synth. I got it hooked up to my minilogue, and I cut the front off of it earlier if you didn't see that. Yeah, we did that. So now it's just a little rack. Everybody wants their time. Alright, but audio out going into that. Hear that? Dude, I got stuff everywhere. It's a wreck. But I wanted to share this. It's pretty cool. I can change the filters. A little more. That static noise it's shaking my house, so I got my audio levels in fine. It's just the one speaker, man. Yeah. Crazy beast, man. Kind of bright. Let me show you this real quick. Just gonna fuck around with it. This one right here is another real cool one, but has no preset patches. You have to make your own, which is really, really dope. Anyway, like I said, I cut this bad boy in half here. Now I put these keys together. They look pretty sweet, and this works great. Just made my own case out of tape. Anyway, I need to get busy in here, guys, and I will holler at you later.